My tumor is gone. My sight recovered. Everything, my energy recovered. Happy, happy,
Hello, friends. My name is Geoffrey. I came from Nigeria to Istanbul. Istanbul Medical Assistant. They are very wonderful. They reclaim all my problems. I get my head correct, recover my sight, recover everything about me. I'm now fit to do anything. I'm happy preparing going back to Nigeria. They are doing wonderful. Their company is amazing. Every people working in the company is amazing. They are very caring, full of passion, full of cooperation. So I'm very happy coming here. I will encourage whomever want to come to their company for medical assistance. I wish you the best because I got a good result. I'm going back health and sound. Thank you everybody, Istanbul Medical Assistant. Thank you very much for your good work.
Care beyond borders.